You can see over there, it's like deep over there. It looks shallow there, but right there is deep. How luck is this? I wouldn't want to get caught on the other side when high tidesing. Like that one guy walking just said to me, he had to swim across this morning because it was so deep. And he could walk across it now. Ooh, this is deep though. I don't want to really. I've got my shoes in my hand and my keys with my remote control in my pocket, so I don't really want my keys, my remote to get wet.